Good morning, dear hearts. Well, we reached lesson 7, and this is a huge favorite lesson. I love this lesson. The reason I love this lesson is because it brings together all of our previous lessons, which maybe have been very abstract, and it brings them together into a very cohesive and an understandable way of what they were trying to teach us and tell us, and now we get to understand more. So the lesson is, I see only the past, which is like, well, how could that be? But now apply that idea to all of our previous lessons. I see only the past. It's the reason why nothing I see means anything. I see only the past. It's the reason why you've given everything you see all the meaning it has for you, because I see only the past. It is the reason why you do not understand anything you see, because I'm seeing only the past. It's the reason why your thoughts do not mean anything and why they are like the other things that you see, because I'm only seeing the past. It's the reason why I'm never upset for the reason I think, because I'm only seeing the past. And it's the reason why you are upset, because you are seeing something that is not there. I'm seeing the past. Everything I have based upon the past, my past, what I think has happened in the past. This is an old idea about time. Now the lesson says it's the first time idea we've had, although I already brought it in yesterday's lesson with lesson 6. But time is so important because it's the idea of time that is keeping us caught in time, the belief, the deep belief in time. So now it tells us that I see only the past, and it gives us the example of a cup. Look at a cup, for example. It says, do you see a cup, or are you merely reviewing your past experiences of picking up a cup, being thirsty, drinking from a cup, feeling the rim of the cup against your lips, having breakfast, so on, so forth. But you can also use this idea of a cup with two different people. So if I have a cup, it's a beautiful cup, it's a piece of fine bone china cup, and I hand it to just a friend or someone on the street, and they'll look at the cup and they'll turn it over maybe, or they'll even just hand it back. They're not interested in the cup. But if I hand that same cup to an antique dealer, they have a different experience of that cup. They have a different experience of the past of that cup, and how they treat that cup, how they look at that cup, what they think of that cup will be completely different than the person who has no past knowledge or experience with a fine bone china cup. So everything in our realm of existence is based on past experiences. What this is doing is it's keeping us from the now. And as many paths have told us, many teachers have told us, the only time there truly is now. The Course in Miracles tells us the same thing. The only time is now. So if I am basing my entire life on the past, I can't possibly be here now. I cannot possibly be mindful because my mind is preoccupied with the now. And to be mindful, my mind is preoccupied with the past. I am not present now. The examples that the lesson gives us is, I see only the past in this pencil, in this shoe, in this hand, in this body. I see only the past in that face. I love when the Course just sort of slips in these little references, body references. They will become much more telling and impactful in times to come, months to come perhaps. But it's the realization that the past has clouded my present. And if I want to be present, I have to let go of my past. The practicing, again, is 3 or 4 times a day, a minute or so each time. Just randomly pick these objects, let them come to you as you glance around the room this time, not the mind searching, glance around the room. What do you see? Whatever it is, realize that whatever it is, I see only the past in that object. And then think of the hand or the face or the body, and I see only the past. I relate only to the past that I have experienced with that object. So, hand or pen, it doesn't matter. So, that's it for today. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, please pray. We pray now for peace to be in everyone's mind, to have a mind full of peace. That's it for today. Please like, please share. I said that. Namaste.